Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable web browser autofill for tax forms. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Locate the Settings or Preferences menu. For Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Click on Site Settings. Find and select Additional Content Settings. Toggle off the setting for autofill if available. For Mozilla Firefox, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Choose Options or Preferences from the menu. Select Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Forms and Autofill section. Uncheck the box next to autofill addresses and any related options. For Microsoft Edge, click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down. Click on Privacy, Search, and Services on the left. Scroll down to Services and find Address Autofill. Toggle it off. If using Safari, go to the Safari menu in the top left corner. Select Preferences. Click on the Autofill tab. Uncheck the options related to autofill for forms. Close the Settings menu once you've made your adjustments. Test your changes by opening a tax form web page. Begin typing to ensure autofill no longer appears. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.